It's Patrick at Pals. Yep, got another differential that we need to rebuild. Now what causes that? Well, it's lack of maintenance. These big trucks, you've got to change the differential fluid every 50 to 60,000 miles. Customers don't know to change it, they don't pay attention to the maintenance requirements, and then they end up where this customer is. The differential has failed. And you can see it right over here. We've got all brand new bearings and seals. Those bearings and seals need to have fresh lubrication. When the lubrication breaks down, so does the ring and pinion. It's very, very important. We do 2 to 3 every month. So if you have a rear-wheel drive truck, you've got differentials. Make sure that you service that differential fluid every 50 to 60,000 miles. Otherwise, you'll have a very expensive repair. See you soon.